Gleam Glamour. Welcome to our guide on creating stunning bone inlay mirror frames. In this video, we will explore the intricate art of bone inlay craftsmanship. Bone inlay mirrors. Aesthetic, timeless, and captivating, bone inlay mirror frames are a true piece of art that can elevate the look of any room. In this video, we will delve into the world of bone inlay mirror frames, exploring their rich history, intricate designs, and the craftsmanship behind their creation. The art of bone inlay. Intricately carved bone pieces are delicately arranged to form stunning patterns. That's the essence of bone inlay. Each mirror frame tells a unique story through its design, showcasing the artistry and attention to detail that goes into creating these masterpieces. Whether you're going for a boho chic look, a modern aesthetic, or a classic touch, bone inlay mirror frames can effortlessly complement any style of decor. Use them as statement pieces in your living room, bedroom, or hallway to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your space. Bone inlay mirror frames are more than just decorative pieces. They blend art, craftsmanship, and history that can transform any space into a work of art. Explore the world of bone inlay mirror frames and add a touch of timeless beauty to your home. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more crafting inspiration.